It's messy. I can't even see you. Hello loves and welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelique if you are new here, and today we're going to spend the day cleaning and organizing my office/closet. It is an absolute disaster and it's been on my to-do list since the new year. So since I just got back from a trip and pretty much just unloaded everything onto the bed, I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to share this video with you guys. And I'm actually gonna make this into like a little mini series, like kind of like organizing for the new year. So we're gonna start with my office and closet, and then we're gonna do the bedrooms, kitchen, and yeah, you guys are gonna organize with me over the next few weeks. So hope you guys enjoy organizing as much as I do. So without further ado, let's clean up this mess. Best part is you guys probably didn't even see Ollie over here. That's how messy it is. See, there is Oliver. So before we actually start this video, go ahead and hit that little subscribe button so you guys never miss out on a video. I talk about fashion, beauty, and home decor. So go ahead and subscribe, and yeah, now let's jump into this video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is kind of show you guys what we're working with and kind of like what the game plan is. Yeah, let's go ahead and start there, and then we'll start cleaning. So I just wanted to share exactly how messy this room is so that way you guys can get a good before and after. On the couch we have some clean laundry, we have all of my travel stuff, we have some more laundry that needs to be put away, we have some new arrivals and stuff that I need to film. We have stuff I already filmed which needs to be put away as well. We have a very dirty Oliver which needs a bath desperately. We have files that need to be get into a filing system and put away. We also just have boxes and things that need to be organized as well. And then we have to clean and organize my closet, as well as go through it and pick out things for Poshmark because my closet has gotten way too full. So that's the game plan. We're gonna start by cleaning and then we'll jump into organizing. Don't know if I'll finish it all today, so let's just clean and see how far we get. So I'm going to start on the couch. I'm going to start by putting the laundry away and all of my travel gear. So bear with me as I start to work through this. And hey, Ollie, he's nesting up here. Anyways, bear with me as I start to organize and put away the stuff on the bed. So a little trick and something I always do is keep a little baggie that has everything I need on a plane. So in here I have like eye masks, I actually have like a medical face mask, I have wipes, I have iPads, I have essential oils, hand sanitizers, an extra pair of underwear, just everything I might need. And I just find this super, super helpful whenever I travel. So I can just like throw this in my carry-on and have everything I need. There's nothing to do really with this video except it is just a good tip to do. So I just basically put everything back in it and like replenished it so that way it's already ready for my next trip. So yeah, that's done. So the files, I actually need to go to Target and get like a accordion file organizer so that way I can put it like up in one of the closets. So I'm just gonna set it outside for now till I'm able to go get that, just get it out of the way. And then I'm gonna start a pile for Poshmark. Yeah, because I have so many things that need to go on Poshmark. So I am going to link my Poshmark down below so that way if you guys want to shop my closet, it'll be there because tons of stuff is going up because I need things out. The beauty of having a small space is you can only keep so much, so it forces me to go through my closet quite often. Anyways, check that out down below. Now back to cleaning. Okay, so the day bed is pretty much cleared off. I just have all these new arrivals that I'm just going to hang up. And then I can organize that in a second. I'm basically just moving in sections, getting all this cleared off, and then we'll move over there in a second. So let's hang up some clothes. So the day bed is officially cleared off. It looks so much better. So 1/3 of my room is now clean. We will move on to this area next. Now I'm just going to go through my shelves and go through this rack. On this rack, I use this for filming all the time or things that I need to shoot. So I already filmed like half of this in like 2 of my recent hauls. So I'm just going to get the next one ready and then try to put everything away that I can so it's not on the rack so that way it's ready for the next shoot. And then try to minimize all of this over here. Okay, I have cleared off the rack, so I'm going to take everything that doesn't need to be in here into my other closet where all my hanging clothes like dresses and pants go. So I'm going to bring that over there so I can eliminate and make this look better. First off, sorry for all the lighting change. I have a skylight in here and it's raining today and overcast. So yeah, a lot of lighting change. Anyways, one of my next videos is going to be a Zara haul because I couldn't resist. So I'm going to get everything hung and ready for that. Yeah, let's quickly do that because I have a box from Zara that needs to go away. This is actually like the perfect rainy day activity. I'm loving getting this done. So this area is now clean. This video is all ready to go. And then the last thing I need to do is get rid of this box from In Philanthropy. And they sent over a really cute sweat set and t-shirt. We have a matching sweatsuit. We have the leopard print. This is like their jogger. And then we have the matching sweatshirt, and I am a sucker for their sweatsuits. I wear them all the time when traveling, so I really like this pink leopard. And then they also sent over the matching top, which would be so cute with like white jeans, pair of trousers, or anything like that, yoga pants. Love it. And my friends over there were so sweet. They asked me if I wanted a discount code for you guys. So I said, of course, because I absolutely love this brand. It is so comfy and their stuff lasts so long. So I'm going to put my code on the screen as well as all the information down below. So if you guys want to check out what they have, it can't hurt. Their stuff is so cute and I wear it all the time. If you ever see me in like a matching tracksuit, most likely it's one of theirs. So feel free to check them out below and get a little discount because we love you guys. So that'll all be down there when you find a hole in your closet. Awesome. We'll have to look into that. Anyways, moving on to the closet, I'm going to go through it and see if there's anything I want to sell on Poshmark, anything I don't need, and then also organize the shoes because it's a mess. Let's just jump in. So I realize it's really hard to see in my closet and I'm sorry for that. But I already went through like all my blazers and jackets. Now I did go through my closet quite heavily before I even moved here, so I'm just going through and pulling out things that like I haven't worn since I moved, which probably means that I won't wear it that often because I've already spent a summer here, a fall, a winter, and went somewhere really cold. So it kind of made me realize what I will and won't wear. So I already went through the jackets and blazers, and now I'm going to move up to the tops and see what I don't need. What I ended up doing was pulling out tops and things that I haven't worn in a while just to try on and make sure I still like them because, you know, sometimes styles change or fits change, your body changes, all that fun jazz. So I pulled out some tops and I'll try them on tonight to see if they'll be going on my Poshmark. Looks so much better. And I just went through my tennis shoes underneath there. So we're going to pull this to the other side and start over here. Might as well just do shoes and get that done. Bear with me. My shoes were an absolute mess and I kind of had all the loafers stacked kind of in colors, so it just appeared to me that I should turn them sideways, almost like a filing system. So in the back I have my boots that I wear the most or that like are the most Hawaii friendly, and then I have all of my loafers and a few sandals back here, and then all of my, I don't know what you call these, slides, like little tiny heeled shoes are up front. So I can now see everything properly. And it's all color coordinated and I'm so happy because now I can see what's going on. Yay. Now we're gonna organize my denim shorts. So I just went ahead and color coordinated them. So we have black, then pink, then from dark to light. And yeah, now we can put them in here. Now we have trouser shorts and like skirts. So much better. Then something I do, and I actually learned this from one of my friends on YouTube, her name's Shay Whitney, and when I saw this in one of her videos, I was like, that's absolutely brilliant. So what I do here is I keep a little spot with some of the necessities that I want in my purse, so that way if I'm switching a purse and I want to like grab a few things, so that way I know everything I keep in a purse is there. Or if I'm emptying a purse, I'll put all the little things that I don't need in that bag in here, and then it's always ready and I have everything I need in a purse. Okay, so now we have my jean shorts and my trouser shorts and skirts right here, and then we just have my little purse necessity box, if you will. I put it in the middle. I don't think it'll stay there once I get more organized, but as of now, that is where it's going to be. So in here I have all my tank tops and bodysuits. This desperately needs to be organized. It's gotten quite messy. So what I think I might actually do is pull it out, organize it on the bed, and then show you the final product. So we have bodysuits over here. We have like crop tops and tank tops. And then I have 2 shawls that I don't know where else to go, so I've put them here, but I'm sure I could find something else if I need different space. But for now, that is way more organized. Definitely nothing too exciting in there, but wallets are already organized, so we're just gonna close that. And now we have our bags. Now, I may not focus too much on this today, only because I think I'm gonna go to Home Depot and ask Sawyer to add a shelf on the top up here, because as you can see, I just have like shelving right here. I don't have something that goes across, so that way I can put like my beach bag and bags that I don't really use, but like duffel bags, things like that, get them off the floor and just put them up there. So I'll probably mess with that like tomorrow, but we will go ahead and clear out what doesn't need to be here because that's what we're doing today. Alright, it doesn't look like much, but it is organized and clean. Like I said, that shelf I'm going to go find, so that'll help me with some of my travel stuff that I can put up there and eliminate some of the stuff on this shelf, and I can like maybe redo the heights on this. It's been a process because the longer I live here, the more I'm like, ooh, I need this space. So anyways, it's coming together nicely. Organization is happening. I'll do a little bit more on that once it's clean. The next thing we're going to do today is my desk. I have a cute little short mini desk and I can't even see it right now. So let's work on that. So I think that's going to be it for today. I pretty much cleaned my whole office, and then when I see you guys next, we'll go through and organize a few things like I had mentioned. So yeah, that was the cleaning portion of this video. Next we'll be organizing. Yay! Oh my gosh, I can't even tell you how good it feels to have this room clean. Like, I needed to do this today. My mom was like, come over and help me. I need help. And I was like, I have to clean. So it's done. I feel better. We can move on to organizing next. Well, we kind of organized too, but you know what I mean. Next level. So it has been a few days since I've seen you, and I went through that pile that was hanging here for Poshmark. That has been gone through. So today's game plan is to finish the office. Yay, I'm very excited just to have it done and organized. So today's plan is to go through these drawers behind me in the day bed. I store all my winter stuff in there, like sweaters, jeans, and like sweats. So we're gonna go through that and see what I need to get rid of and sell on Poshmark. And then we're gonna go through this tower. So that is pretty much the game plan. We have a few other little things we're gonna do, but let's just go ahead and jump back into organizing. So in this first drawer, I keep all of my jeans. Now, I actually do wear jeans quite often here, especially in their winter time. So I'm probably not going to get rid of too many of those, but let's just go through it and make sure everything in here is good to go. All right, and these next set of drawers, I have sweats. Now, this is the section that I'm probably going to get rid of the most, only because my taste in sweats have kind of changed since last year. So let's just see what I can get rid of. Perfect. All right, lastly, we have sweaters. All right, now everything officially in this room has been gone through for Poshmark. I just want everyone to also see how cute Ollie is right here on the stair. Oliver, what you doing? Yep, you. All right, so that is done. We will move on to organizing my little tower now. So the first thing I should start by doing is like dusting this off. I don't think I've dusted this since we moved. Don't judge me. Do not judge me. The longest time this room wasn't even usable, so. Now, these drawers are used for so many things. And to be honest, I'm probably gonna have to like reorganize them later. But for now, we're just gonna quickly go through it and organize what we can. I feel like I need to get like organizers for the drawers. Guys, I got a new iPhone and I've been using the loopy cases and I really like them. So that's exciting if you're looking for a new case. So I use this top drawer pretty much as like my desk top drawer. So it's kind of like a little bit, not kind of, it pretty much is just like a junk drawer of stuff that I need to keep track of. Everything is clean, organized, and gone through. The last thing I need to do is hang this photo. Sawyer actually got this photo for me for Christmas. It was a very, very special moment for me. It's so obnoxious, I totally realize. Anyways, this is such a special moment for me that he thought it'd be really cute to have it framed in my office. So I want to hang this ridiculous photo right here. So I'm just going to measure and get this hung. And that's literally the last thing I have to do in my office. I think we marked this correctly. So before we hang it, let's just put it where I marked. That's ridiculous, but amazing at the same time. And just like that, my office is now cleaned and organized and gone through, and I feel so much better as a person knowing that this space is clean. This is where I work from. This is like kind of my creative space, so I needed to get this done first, so it feels so good to have it done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it inspired you to clean and organize your creative space. I am going to continue doing this type of video. Within the next few weeks, I'm going to be doing my kitchen and like living room area, and then my bedrooms and bathroom. So I hope this inspires you to clean your whole house, and I know we're like into the new year, but you know, get reset for the new year. So if you enjoyed, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. But that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.